Hi everyone, I am Manuela, a graduate project manager working at Telent. In this video, I'll try to explain what exactly a graduate project manager is, what my job is like, and how it relates to transport and engineering. Telent operates within the various industry sectors. I am working in the transport sector and I am based in the London office where we have a maintenance contract with TfL, Transport for London. Basically, TfL is employing us to provide maintenance services. You may have seen while traveling on the tube, the display screens which shows when your next train arrives, or use the public help point to ask for information. We ensure these assets as well as CCTV cameras, speakers are working properly and are in good conditions in order to help the tube operate smoothly every day. We also have engineers to solve technical issues and problems, and we constantly develop new strategies and upgrade our systems to ensure our successful delivery of our maintenance services for TfL. So what does a project manager do? A project manager is responsible for day-to-day management of the project, which includes project planning, project scheduling, making sure the work is done within a given time period and within budget and to the right standard. Also monitoring and controlling any risks involved. As a graduate project manager, I assist the project manager in our team, and using the example of our maintenance contract with TfL, whenever Telent receives any issues or problems found in the London Underground, we must respond and send engineers to fix them within a given time period based on the contract agreement. And behind all this are all sorts of management work that are needed to be done. For example, finance, risk and quality management, and so on. We communicate and work with people from different departments, organize meetings to check their work progress and performance to ensure everything is on track and are up to standard. So our job tasks vary all the time, and this is one of the main reasons why I got into project management. I love it because we have access to different areas of the business. Project work is just multidisciplinary and cross-functional. You get to work with people from different departments who are specialists in different areas, and all of whom are key to success of a project. I really enjoy working at Telent because I am fascinated by the fact that I'm working on something that is so closely linked to my daily life. I am not sure if you take the tube every day or not, but I do. I just love how my job supports the daily operation of the London Underground. I am also really grateful that Telent provides graduates all sorts of trainings to help our professional development, and also gives us the opportunity to meet other professionals within the transport industry. So it's been 7 months since I joined Telent, and this is the first full-time job after I graduated. It was challenging initially because I don't have an engineering background, I don't have any relevant work experience, I just didn't know anything about the transport industry. It took me a while to get to know the structure of the company, the way of working, the project that I'm working on, as well as the terminology that they use, new software, new tools. There were lots of information to take in, and I always have lots of questions to ask. And keeping up with all this new information and adjusting new workplace at the same time was challenging. But challenges are good because you learn and develop new skills from challenges and your work experience. In terms of how I become a project manager, it wasn't a direct route. I did biomedical sciences for my bachelor's degree, and I only found my interest towards project management after a summer internship. And I was sure that I did not want to pursue a career in biomedical sciences, so I decided to apply for a master's course in project management. And after that, I applied for this graduate scheme from Telent and received a job offer. I think that working in the engineering industry taught me how to think through a problem in order to solve it. It can also be a very rewarding job, especially when your work will benefit the society, making life better. All I want to say is, it is okay to be unsure about your future career, but don't be afraid of the challenges ahead. But do think about your passion. because passion will push you through challenges, because you will do whatever it takes to become better. Thank you for watching this video. I look forward to seeing you at our Inspiring Engineering Day at the Acton depot soon. In the meantime, please follow London Transport Museum and Telent on social media, or find out more about our school sessions on the London Transport Museum website.